Hey guys, the song we'll learn today is a song by Joe. It's called I'd Rather Have a Love. It's from the album Double Back, The Evolution of R&B. It came out around 2013, I believe. Anyway, the song is fairly easy. It's just, getting the groove of it that probably takes a bit of time. There's only a few chords and they repeat practically the entire song. Alright, so let's start with the intro. Alright, so that is the intro, and also the same chords will repeat in the verse, and they will also repeat in the chorus. Okay, so again, fairly repetitive. Okay, so the first chord is an E flat, and then the next chord is a B flat with a bass of D. And then the next chord is a C minor 7. Okay, so put together. And sometimes he has a hammer on and pull off it. Okay. And then we have A flat major 7. And then G minor 7. F minor 7. Okay, so okay, and then we have F minor 7, and then G minor 7, and then C minor 7. Okay, so okay, and then we have A flat with a bass of B flat. Okay, so again, A flat is here, and then A flat with a bass of B flat is here. Okay. And then the last chord is an E flat, so back to E flat. Okay, so and again, so that's the intro. That would repeat twice, and then you go to the verse, and it's exactly the same, played the same way, right? And when you get to the pre-chorus, that's when it changes a bit. So just to make it easy, because the pre-chorus uses A flat over B flat practically the entire time with a few variation, I'll try to actually use the lyrics as a frame of reference. Okay, so it goes like this. But one day so that's A flat over B flat. Met this girl, she won my philosophy. Okay, and then caught me by surprise. My heart skips a beat, and then this is when we change chords. So when she comes around. Okay, so that's a C minor 7. G minor 7, and then F minor 7, and then back to G minor 7. Okay. When she comes around, okay, and then back to A flat over B flat, and then I never thought that I'd be ready to settle. And then here when he says settle down, he plays the G minor 7 really quick, settle. And it goes back to the A flat or a B flat, right? See, I was about to find myself alone. And then when he says alone, there's a run that he does. He goes from F minor 7, G minor 7, and then when he sings, but I found myself a love, but I found, so here A flat major 7, myself, we have an A flat over B flat, and then a love, right? And this is when he goes to the chorus, when we go back to the same chords as earlier, right? So it goes like this, just to rewind a little bit. See, I was about to find myself alone, but I found myself alone. It's gonna take a minute to evolve. Okay? And then the chorus is the same as the verse. Okay? And then you go back to you go to verse 2, same chords. And then when you get to the pre-chorus, same chords as the pre-chorus earlier. Okay? And then there's a bridge. The bridge is somewhat similar to the pre-chorus, as you know, in that he uses a lot of the A flat over B flat. So again, just to make it easier, I'll use the lyrics as a frame of reference. So, on the one hand, I could just admit a guy. Right, so A flat over B flat twice. And then when he says pleasures, you go F minor 7, G minor 7, and then A flat major 7. So pleasures. Okay? And then we go back to the A flat over B flat. But on the other hand, we can build a dream. Okay? And then when he says with true love and affection, with true C minor 7, love G minor 7, and affect F minor 7, and then A flat over B flat. Okay. With true love and affection. Okay. And then we go back to A flat over B flat. I know it's gonna be quite a challenge. It's gonna take some time, but I'm here, I'm ready to go. And then, cause I know that I'll find myself alone. Right, so here, cause I know F minor 7, Av G minor 7, found A flat major 7, myself A flat over B flat, and then A love, E flat, and then you go back to the chorus. Right. All right, and that's the entire song. You just gotta get the groove of the song, and once you get that, then it's fairly smooth. It's a great song. Anyway, if you guys haven't heard the song, go check it out on iTunes or Spotify, whichever medium do you use to listen to music. All right, have fun and enjoy.